So hi, welcome back, and we are at the right place in the right environment to talk about something which is bothering almost all of us. These are the gadgets, right? Our children are hooked on to movies, hooked on to videos, hooked on to YouTube, games, gaming consoles and TV, right? So let me shock you out. Our children are not addicted to screens. And you must be wondering, why am I saying so? So for that, let me take you back when you were a child, when you were about 12, 13, 14, that age. What did you do that you were enjoying the most? You know, we used to be playing out with our friends, cricket, football, hockey, badminton, maybe painting, dancing, singing, just being around with friends, moving around in the park. We did all that stuff, cycling, kite flying. My question to you is, what were you getting when we were doing all these activities? We were having fun, we were enjoying it. It was thrilling, it was acknowledgement, we were improving ourselves, we were getting acknowledged by people. We wanted to thrive for better. If we did a score one day, we wanted to do more score, we wanted to score more the next day. So all that stuff which we were getting out of that is exactly what our children are today getting out of those games. So they're not addicted to games, they're addicted to what the games give us. So what they get is the appreciation, the acknowledgement, the fun, the thrill, the excitement, the chat up between friends that today I reached X level and you reached Y level, and how do I reach X and Y? There's appreciation happening out there. That is what is addictive to anybody. And if I ask you, do you want your child to spend their entire life in those spaces of being happy, thrilled, excited, wanting to be better, being appreciated, being acknowledged? The answer would be yes. So the idea is not to reduce screen time, to tell them that screens are bad. The idea is to tell them that screens are giving them this, and the same thing can be gotten by any other space. So if a child has about 5 hours after school, rather than reducing the screen time, can we build another activity? And I'm sure each one of you knows that there is some of the other activity which can help him get exactly what he's getting out of the screen without using the screen too. So rather than reducing screen time, ensure that this activity is put into their schedule. For a start, you will have to make that available, you will have to make that effort, because screens are available readily and they're easily, you can pick it up and start off. If this new activity gets added, the screen time is automatically going to go down. And I can promise you one thing, the kind of thrill and excitement they will get in those activities will be far, far, far more than what they get out of screens. So let's do this. Let's bring in another unstructured activity into their schedule and let them get what they get out of screens through these activities, and that will lower down their time on their screens. My request is, definitely do this. Don't even postpone it. This is something we really need to happen for our children, because the kind of damage screens are doing to them is irreversible. So friends, let's go ahead and tell our children what to do, and see you next week. Happy parenting.